Hello friends, now we will see the pulse modulation. Basically, the pulse modulation it is categorized into analog modulation and digital modulation. In this analog modulation, pulse amplitude modulation, here the definition of that pulse amplitude modulation is amplitude of the carrier pulses changes in accordance with amplitude of modulating signal. Here PWM, pulse width modulation. PWM and PPM are also called as pulse time modulation also. So in the PWM, the carrier pulses width will be vary according to the modulating signal. In pulse position modulation, the position of the carrier pulses will be changed according to the modulating signal. Now here in the type of the digital modulation, pulse code modulation comes into this digital modulation techniques, and which have the various types like the delta modulation. The pulse modulation it is widely used in the communication era. Now this is about the introduction of the pulse modulation. Now we'll see the each and every type in more detail. Thank you for watching.